Hi, I am Alicia. I'm an AI human. Here to talk you about an important change to your accounting year end and how this will affect your tax returns. The basis period reform is the first part of HMRC move to digital record keeping and quarterly reporting. The quarterly reportings and digital records will come into force in the next few years, unless it is deferred again. If your current accounting period is either the 31st of March or the 5th of April, this does not affect you. At present, if you have a different accounting period, you are taxed on the accounting year that ends in the tax year. For example, if you have the 30th of June year end, then the 30th of June 22 is taxed in the tax year 2022-23. This is because the 30th of June 22 falls in the tax year 2022-23, being the 6th of April 22 to the 5th of April 23. This is called the basis period. For this example, the basis period, the period that is taxed, is the year ending the 30th of June 22. From 2023-24, this is changing, and all sole traders, partnerships and LLPs will be taxed on a tax year basis. So let us assume you will change. What does that mean? First, we need to think about overlap relief. When you first started self-employment, on your first tax return you would have been taxed on profits from when you started, to the 5th of April. This is because you would not have had a full year ending in the tax year. On your next year, you do have an accounting year ending in the tax year, so you are taxed on that year's profits. You might realize that you have been taxed twice on part of your first year. This is called overlap profits. These get carried forward and get deducted when you cease self-employment. They also get deducted when you move to a tax year basis. Let me explain with an example. You start trading on the 1st of October 2000. Your year to the 30th of September 2001 shows profits of £30,000. On the 2000-2001 return, profits from the 1st of October 2000 to the 5th of April 2021 will be taxed. That is 6 months, so call it £15,000. On the next return, 2001-2002, we have a complete year that falls in the tax year. So tax is calculated on the year ending the 30th of September 2021, £30,000. The overlap profits are £15,000. This is important, so you can understand how your tax will be calculated for 2023-24. We move forward in our example to 2023-24 tax year. Profits for the year to the 30th of September 2023 are £40,000. We also prepare accounts for the period from the 1st of October 23 to the 31st of March 24, and profits are £25,000. Add these together gives £65,000. We then take off the overlap profit from when we started trading of £15,000. This gives a grand total of £50,000 being taxed in this year. That is £10,000 more profits than we would normally have expected. This could push us into higher rate tax and increased payments on account. HMRC, thankfully, have seen this effect. We have spreading relief. The transitional profits of £25,000 can be divided into 5 and taxed in each of the 5 tax years from 2023-24. The transitional profit is divided by 5, with 1/5 being added in this year. The remaining £8,000 will be spread over the next 4 tax years, £2,000 for each year. You can choose not to spread and in future years decide to elect for a larger amount of what is left to be charged. If you do, what is left is spread over the remaining years. This does get really interesting if there are losses in either the year-end or transitional period, or you have overlap losses instead of profits. Once we do get over the initial change, it will make life more straightforward. The accounting year and tax year will be aligned for nearly all businesses. If you want to discuss this in more detail, please get in touch. Thank you for listening.